Alright, YouTubers, so a lot of people having problems with the 2003 Chevy Malibus, or 01s, or 04s, and 99s, whatever the case may be. And some people have like faulty ignition, or it just, like mine's, it's locked. See how it's locked? But a lot of people, when they crank it, when they go to crank, they go all the way up and they go to the start, right? But when they go to start, it cranks, but it doesn't start. It doesn't start. It just, it does that all day. Well, mine's is doing it a lot, you know, and I figured out a little solution. What you should do, this may work or it may not, I don't know, but just try it yourself. It works for me. You're gonna put the key in, turn it. You're gonna turn it all the way on. And when you turn it all the way on, you see those? You gotta let them go all the way up. Just let them go all the way up. And then start it. A lot of problems people have, they go to start it, but they don't let all the fuel pump up. And they don't let the, whatever goes with the oil, they don't let everything settle. They just automatically start. And you kind of like, it's something you do. I don't know what goes on, but something happens in there. I'm not a mechanic or nothing, but just try it out. Let me know. Get back to me. Thanks, YouTubers. Holla.